Hey there, it's Cami from Tidbits, and today I'm going to share an unconventional way to use cookie cutters. Now this project is part of my seasonal blog series called The Handmade Holidays, where I am going to share oodles of DIY gift ideas for anyone on your list. Now this post and video is sponsored by my all-time favorite place to buy cleaning supplies, Grove Collaborative. Hang tight and I'll tell you more about them. Today I'm going to show you how you can spruce up a white tea towel by dipping cookie cutters into fabric paint and creating your own fun and festive pattern. Now truthfully, when I had this idea, I wondered if it would end up looking like a 5-year-old did it, but I can assure you they turned out so cute. In fact, I bet a 5-year-old could do it. So let me show you how simple it is to make some cookie cutter stamped tea towels, and you can enjoy making them yourself or round up the whole family to create their own fun designs. You can give them to neighbors, grandparents, teachers, and friends. Before we dive into the tips and tricks for successful cookie cutter stamped tea towels, I'd like to give you a few ideas for packaging and gifting them. Now you could easily wrap up the towel or tie it with some ribbon or string, but I went ahead and made these free printable gift wraps, which you simply print and then you tape the back side of it, and then you can just insert your towel just like that. And it adds a little special touch and gives you a place to write the from and to. You can grab this free printable on my blog in the link below and feel free to use it for any gift you give. So we plan to gift a lot of these very affordable tea towels to neighbors, but to make it extra special for relatives and grandparents, I thought it would be fun to pair it with some Mrs. Meyer's seasonal scented soaps and sprays. I really like the peppermint scents, but the other delicious holiday scents they have right now are orange clove and Iowa pine. All of them smell like Christmas in a bottle. Now, Grove Collaborative is the perfect place to buy Mrs. Meyer's products because they are usually the first to stock the seasonal scents, and they stock the variety of the scents at incredible prices. Not only that, but their freebie offers are unbeatable. Now, I've been hooked on Grove for about 3 years now, so working with them is really a dream. They are a monthly delivery service, but what makes them special is they source natural and better for your home and body products. So when I'm really not sure what products to buy, I can rest easy knowing that Grove has done their homework and the products will be better for myself and my family. So I pretty much know when we will need more toothpaste, toilet cleaner, dish soaps, laundry soaps, etc. And I just have it shipped right to my door from Grove. I really adore their Grove branded products that they're constantly putting out. They're very useful and adorable, just like this seasonal red caddy, which would be perfect to gift with some Mrs. Meyer's soap and a tea towel. I also really like their Grove stoneware tray that you can keep by the sink to hold all your cleaners and soaps. Okay, now brace yourself. They have the best freebie offer that I have seen to date for new customers. If you sign up with Grove today with my special link below, you are going to get all for free some Mrs. Meyer's holiday hand soap, dish soap, multi-purpose spray, this darling red caddy, and some Grove walnut scrubber sponges, which work really good. To top it off, if you spend $39 or more, you also get the sink tray for free. Now this is really an amazing deal, but it only lasts from November 1st to November 6th, so be sure to grab it if you're interested. If you're watching this video not during these dates, go ahead and click the link. There will probably be a free offer for you still. Now, good news, if you're already a loyal Grove customer like myself, you can also use the link and claim free walnut scrubber sponges. In fact, there's usually always a buy so much, get this free deal with Grove, which is why I love it, because it allows me to try new products at no extra expense. Go ahead and click the link below to check out all that Grove has to offer and stock up on Mrs. Meyer's holiday scents for yourself or for gifting purposes. So here are the very basic supplies you will need. You'll need a tea towel, and there are higher quality ones available at like craft stores, but you can also find bulk packages of flour sacks available at places like Walmart or on Amazon. I'll go ahead and link to some of those below. You'll also need some fabric paint, which is available in many colors at craft stores and online. And then choose some cookie cutters that pique your interest. Some very basic ones work great, but I also wanted to try this cute little gingerbread man cookie imprint cutter, and when I pushed that, that's what gave me the cute little gingerbread shape. Also get yourself a paper plate, a brush, a garbage bag or something to protect your surface, and a piece of paper if you want to test out your stamping before you do it on your fabric. First up, prep your area by laying out your garbage bags or something to protect your surface. Next, pour some fabric onto a paper plate. You'll want enough of it that it covers the length and width of the cookie cutter plus some. Then it works best to take a brush and even out the paint on the plate. Now make sure the paint is kind of puddled up on the plate versus just a very thin layer of paint, if that made any sense. Then you will simply dip the cookie cutter into the paint, trying to get an even coverage, then stamp it right onto the towel, pressing evenly around before you lift up the cookie cutter. And that's how easy this project is. Feel free to get creative with your design and pattern and have fun making your own custom stamped tea towels. Hope you've enjoyed this project, and I really hope you'll take advantage of this Grove Collaborative offer. Now all that is left for you to do is make a list of anyone in your life who would love a cookie cutter stamped tea towel, and be sure to make one for yourself. Now, I've got a lot more DIY gift ideas coming at you this season, so be sure to check out my blog at tidbits-cami.com. Subscribe to my newsletter updates so you won't miss a beat. Thank you for watching, and keep following along for more inspiration for do-it-yourself living.